Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an updated version on how I make my thumbnails / GFXs. I did this about a year ago, but the game and Roblox got deleted and stuff, so I'm going to be doing an updated version on how I make them now too, because I make them a little bit different. You all how to make this. I'm going to be showing you all how to make things like thumbnail like this, and yeah, so don't mind all these Roblox pictures and all these Roblox things, yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna show you all how to make that. So first things first, you're gonna need to go onto Roblox. Once you are on Roblox, you're gonna want to go ahead onto Royal High. Now, what I like about Royal High is that there's so many poses and all, and so many different hairstyles and so many different outfits. It's just like endless. Possibilities are literally endless with Royal High. So first, you're just gonna want to choose your outfit. Okay guys, so we are now in Sunset Island, and I decided I wanted to change my avatar, so I kind of just changed it up a bit to this kind of aesthetic outfit. Oh gosh. So basically what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to go to the stage thing, and then you're going to want to take a right. So you're gonna want to turn the green screen black or green, really does not matter, guys. So you're gonna want to choose your emote pose. So if you want a GFX without a face, what you need to do is you're going to want to go into the boys' faces. I'm going to make this GFX without a face. Don't know why, but I just kind of want to do that. But basically, you're going to want to go into the boys. This one right here that has no face. And yeah, you can add glasses just so it looks kind of cute. That's what I like doing when I'm doing my GFXs. So just add glasses if you want. Yeah. Let's do. Help! 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 Oh, I'm so confused. I have to choose your emote. So you're gonna want to choose your emote, of course, like we're doing. So you can do the holding camera thing, and I have the Polaroid. You can get it from the wheel. You don't have to do this, but I don't know. I just kind of like doing this one. It just adds a really cool feel to it. So you can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna actually do the green screen this color. So, okay, so then you're gonna want to screenshot and then crop it as small as you can, but do not crop yourself. Just crop whatever you're gonna want to show in the picture. Okay, we need to kind of get it closer so we don't have a blurry picture of our avatar, if that makes sense. Save to photos, and you're done with that. So now you're just gonna want to go into Magic Eraser. Okay guys, so now that you are in Magic Eraser, you're going to want to choose a photo of your avatar, and then you're going to want to go and click done. Don't do anything to your picture since you already cropped it the way that you want it. And then you're going to want to go click this little magic wand and then click on the green screen, or just tap on it. So you're gonna have all these things of green screen all over your avatar. So just go ahead and zoom in and take those all out.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not.
Alright guys, so I am kind of done. There's still a lot of patches still, but I think it looks pretty decent. So the next thing that you need for your GFX is you need a background. Now you can get a background first from Safari or Google or whatever, or you can just choose it from your photos, or you could just use a plain background. Okay, so that one's like an orange butterfly theme, aesthetic butterfly background, so that way, you know, it'll be a little bit, because we're gonna blur the background so it looks kind of more aesthetic. So for the background, I think I'm gonna choose this one. I really like it, so I'm gonna choose that one, and we're gonna go, and to add it, just click on photo, go here, blur the background, and then you can just go ahead and save. So that is how you make it. So yeah, this is how it will turn out. If you want to add letters, you can, and I'll show you how to do that. You can also add filters on this one too. So just go to photo albums. You don't want to go to all photos, and then you can choose literally a filter. Really cute. This one, and then you can be like, how I make my thumbnails / GFXs on mobile. Now let's go to style, stroke. Well, let's choose kind of like a peach color. And change it to whatever font you want. I'm gonna try this one. So I'm gonna use the Keep on Truckin' font. Basically, I just downloaded it. I kind of forgot how to download fonts though, because it's been like over a year since I've done it. But yeah, you can just go ahead and look on YouTube on how to do that. So yeah, this is how I make my thumbnails / GFXs on mobile. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And comment down some video ideas down below, so I know what you guys would like to see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.